This cocktail was inspired by La Fève Verte, Paris's famous absinthe house. It's my favorite absinthe cocktail, which is of course, the Corpse Reviver No. 2. I'm gonna start with 20 mils of Lillet Blanc. Next up, 20 mils gin. 20 more mils Cointreau. Another 20 mils of lemon juice. Now I like to add just a touch of sugar to this, but I like to add quite a lot of absinthe. About 5 mils. Add ice and give it a really good shake. Into an ice cold martini glass, I'm going to double strain. And to finish, just a simple twist of lemon peel. And that is my Corpse Reviver No. 2.